Hey everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily track your orders on DHgate on your PC. So in the DHgate website, just log in or sign in to your account. Then once you're done signing in, just hover your mouse here and then click on My Orders. And now you will be redirected to your orders page. And from here, you can easily track your orders. As you can see, we have different sections that can help you to easily track your orders status. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily track your order on DHgate in your PC. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!